Hey guys, I am back with another video. I wanted to do a quick review and what's in my bag for my latest purchase, the Louis Vuitton mini Capucines. I've said this in my videos many times that when I am interested in a bag, I will watch as many videos as I can on YouTube about what can fit, reviews, pros and cons, things like that. So I'd like to add to that. So I am obviously not home. I'm in Puerto Rico right now, but I've been using this for the last few days and I love it. So again, this is the mini Capucine. So it's a small bag. It's a hefty price for what it carries, but for me personally, it's the shape. I love a top handle that's a trapezoid that also has feet with a crossbody. So, you know, this bag works for me, but I want to talk about what's in it. So I have it stuffed right now, and I have it stuffed pretty much at capacity. I wouldn't necessarily carry all these things in here, but for the video purposes and for educational purposes, I wanted to show you. I will tell you, when you lift the flap, I do have a lot of space in front. So I could probably add a compact here, or, you know, let me see, maybe not. Yeah, I could. So there is a little bit more room, but I just wouldn't carry more. So this is it. I have it totally stuffed. It has two compartments with a zipper compartment here. And I think both compartments are pretty equal in size. So I'll just kind of show you what I have in here. I have this huge mirror. This is a lighted magnifying mirror that I got from Walmart. It's awesome. I use it all the time. Always have a packet of tissues with me. I am currently using a card holder and not a wallet. This is just a really cute holiday Kate Spade card holder. So then you can see here, I have a hand lotion, lip balm, you know, just like random things. I don't put my random things in pouches. I just find that the pouches take up too much room. So I will often have them floating around my bag. Little hand sanitizer wipe, lip balm, headache pill. So that's it for this back pocket. Now I do have my hotel room key in this little slip pocket here. And then in the front, I have a lipstick and a lip liner. And what I love about this bag is that it holds a pair of sunglasses. So these are just my Louis Vuitton. I don't know what these are called, but you know, for a bag to hold all of that, for a mini bag to hold all of this, including a pair of sunglasses, for me is ideal. So it's empty now, except for in this little zipper compartment, I do carry some things. I have chronic dry eye, so I have eye drops and toothpicks in here. Ooh, I actually have quite a few. I didn't realize that. Yeah, I have like a bunch of them. And so now the bag's totally empty. Ooh, I have hair stuck in there. It's fully leather lined. This little pocket is also leather. It smells amazing. And for mine, it has silver hardware, made in France. Again, so I wanted this bag for the longest time, but the price tag was a turn off for me because for such a small bag that I didn't think hold that much, I thought that the price was a little much, but I gotta be honest with you, it holds more than I thought. I'm so glad that I actually went to look at it in store and put my things in it, because now I love it. So it's a great size for me. For me personally, I love mini bags, but it has to be able to hold my phone, a card case, keys, and sunglasses. Like those for me are necessities, and this one does. So I gotta tell you, I'm like really loving this. It's so cute. I love these chains. They are detachable. And I'll just kind of show you what it looks like on me. And I like carrying it by the top handle. I do carry it like this sometimes. And I really love the crossbody strap. It's a really good length on me. And the strap, the thickness of the strap works. So yeah, so far I'm loving this. Again, if you're on the fence or if you were thinking about a mini Capucines, but if you're worried that it doesn't hold much, looks are deceiving. It actually holds quite a bit. So I'm really happy with it so far. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I will see you on my next video.